Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now, probably all of you know about quizzes, but you might not know the greatest benefits and advantages that it comes with. So let me introduce you to them. So first, with quizzes you get to ask a series of questions from your audience, and based on that you will provide them an instant score, grade, or a feedback. So let's see the most prominent benefits of interactive quizzes. The first one is that it will help you to grow your email list. It is a smart way to do that by including a lead form that you can place either in the beginning or at the end of your quiz. The second one is that you get to capture zero-party data. So basically you will uncover the needs, the preferences, and all the characteristics of your customers directly that you can use later on to send targeted offers. And finally, I'm going to introduce you 3 different types of interactive quizzes just to give you some inspirational thoughts. So the first one is a branded quiz where you will be focusing on building brand awareness. So your primary goal here is to educate your audience, and you have to find a topic that's interesting for them and it is also closely related to your brand. You can motivate them to learn more about your products by offering them a small prize or reward to win. The second one is a promotional quiz. That comes really handy when you have new product launches or seasonal discounts, let's say that. So you could be creating a quiz here that has questions about your new products and its features. And the one who knows the most can win something small of a prize or a reward. And the third one is a knowledge quiz. With a knowledge quiz, you can really make sure if your audience knows enough of a specific topic, and if they are good enough, you can reward them with a small prize or discount. And the last one is a trivia quiz that is about unimportant facts, and the primary goal of a trivia quiz is to entertain your audience. And that was it about interactive quizzes. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel that you can do right up there. And if you want to learn more about other types of interactive quizzes, please scroll down and click on the links. See you next time.